Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC Coupe. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with an AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, opening up the trunk. We've got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, power liftgate, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, dark wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C Coupe has 15,630 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.